today look, we are playing with this Crimp and Color Barbie Deluxe. Deluxe styling head. Yes. Now let's open this amazing, super cool Crimp and Color Barbie. We'll see it now in a moment. All these things. Wow. Yeah. That's.
Папа.
Yes.
Смотрите, это. Как посмотреть.
Wow, the glasses, Mila. Let me see. Oh wow, put them on. Put them on. Wow. So
Вот так.
you look beautiful, my dear.
Вот так. Не вот так, а вот так. Не вот так, не вот так.
Ow.
Не поможешь.
It's broken.
Вот тик-тик. Папа, я тик-тик.
Okay, give me a moment, Mila.
Папа, я тик-тик.
Here.
Вот так.
Here you go.
Спасибо.
Wow. Da. Wow. Oh. So big, the head is so big. You can do lots of things.
Вот. Эй, я тик-тик. Вот она.
And here we go. Yeah, beautiful. Barbie looks beautiful. Here is the home. Yeah. And her. That's all. That's all. So we have this is a hair extension. Okay, let's make extend her hair. Okay, so we have this hair straightener and hair extension and all different accessories, and here we have nails. Mila, look. Wow. Wow. Look at these nails. Here is water. Water. Okay, I'm gonna do a few more nails and then okay, so we can put inside this iron different patterns, so we can have a heart or this zigzag. And now make her hair look beautiful. Here we go. Also, we use the ice cold water, and now we'll see her nails supposed to change color. So it changes the color a bit, and now we can see there is makeup around Barbie's eyes. If you put hot water, the makeup appears, and with cold water it disappears. let's see Mila with her nails. Wow, just put them all inside the hot water. Ta-da! Yeah, it became just light pink. Now we will put in cold. Wow! You see? Now look. You see her fingers? Now 1, 2, 3. Wow! Bright pink.
Yeah!
Yeah! No, it doesn't look good. Okay, let's take it off. So, we have this hair iron or hair straightener with 2 panels, yeah. With 2 plates with different pattern, and we have different accessories for Barbie, rings, clips, and here we have nails. You can put nails, extra nails. These are the elastic bands. You can also make a ponytail from Barbie's hair. And these heart-shaped sunglasses, Mila, put them on. Show to everybody how do you look. Show. Oh yes, lovely. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. So this super cool Barbie changes. Oh, the color you can see here. One nail didn't change the color. Half is light pink, and the other one is dark pink. So Mila is trying to take off the makeup from Barbie's eyes, and we'll just finish with her eyes and clean her eyes from makeup. Good. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you again soon. Have a good day.